Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I will show you how to sew a knot headband. I remember I made a similar tutorial a while back. This time it's even easier and simpler and just as pretty and practical. First step is cut 2 pieces of fabric 5 inches wide by 18 inches long for the main part of the headband. And then cut one more piece 4 inches wide by 13 inches long to cover the elastic. I used the 3/4 inch wide of elastic. The fabric I use here is jersey knit type fabric or spandex. Okay, next step is place the one side on top, crossing the other piece, facing upward like this. And then pull the right side to the left and then line up the edges. Pull the bottom to the right, then line up the top edge facing down. I hope that makes sense. This will create a twist in the middle. Stretchy fabric can be a little tricky to work on, but I like this particular one because it's really soft and feels really good on your skin. It's like you're wearing nothing. You can experiment with different type of fabric. You can use cotton or silk or satin, and maybe you can also try different measurement. That would be fun too. Okay, next step is sew the side edges. Leave about 1 inch from the middle on each side. Also keep both ends open. Now work on the elastic part. Sew the edge of the piece to create a tube. Now we get to the fun part. Pull the inside out, one side after the other, like this. Okay, the other side. It's my favorite part of the process. I use about 5 inches long elastic. Then you can insert the elastic using a safety pin like this. Oops, I lost it. There you go. Let's pin it so it's secure before we sew it. Now sew it on both ends. Now place the elastic in the middle on each end of the main piece and fold the edges like this. You can secure it with pin on both ends. And sew it. The last step is to turn it around like this, and you see the seam is now neatly hidden. Happy sewing, and please comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you in my next video.